chauffeur, service and transportation, ship and delivery.
Now, presenting nearly finished. If you have question don't understand, you can ask me.
สัปดาห์นี้อ่า
My name is Constantino Kuo. And my name is Ruben. My name is Constantino. Today we are student Vietnamese from faculty of student Vietnamese from faculty of linguistics and humanity. The topic cycling.
Cycling is a form of leadership. Sorry.
no problem
Cycling is a form of exercise that many people like to exercise in their free time because cycling can make happy and healthy relax.
When we ride, it cannot win. And it is tough, saving and also not expensive. Now, presenting learning finish. In your have question, don't understand and you can be.
okay have you ever ride bicycle